How are you?
Good.
So what are you shooting today, Kayla?
What? I'm shooting bottles that have water in them, and then I put the metal thing on top of it, so it'll be cool.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Load up the rifle.
Shooting the one that's hanging. Oh ho ho!
Cool, Kayla.
Poor little bottle.
I got the 1911 baby.
Nobody cares about you.
Remington. R1. Try a few shots. Oh, here we go. 1911 baby. See if I can hit anything. I can't even see what I'm doing. Yay! Whoa. There you go. Empty gun. Hi, Chicana.
What? Taking running road. And today's New Year's Eve!
Yay! 2011. Going on to 2012. Ooh, you hit that dirt one. Let me see what we got here.
Shoot the one that's coming up. It won't
Empty. 1911s don't hold that many bullets, do they?
They hold 8 or 7. That's a lot.
Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, good hit, baby.
Done.
Ah, empty.